We have this exciting new program for Pinellas County that we're bringing for our kids, and this is an opportunity that they never had before, so we want them to be able to compete in robotics here in Pinellas County. Greg, tell us some more about that.
What inspires you? It's a question that I like to ask to a lot of people that we work with, and especially someone near and dear to me like Calvin Brown from the Pinellas County Urban League here in Pinellas County, Florida. He does so much for this community. He works with us, and the Urban League in general does a lot for people of need and people that have extreme needs.
Well, in our community, our kids, we want to make sure that they're ready for the workforce of the future. So it's not just a robot. It's an opportunity to enter so they're able to learn the skills that they're going to need in order to compete on a global scale.
And this competition platform could easily provide the talent needed for this entire county. This is a platform that we're building for industry to get plugged in, involved, and start building their talent pipeline.
So they have an opportunity to make a sustainable living and move their families out of poverty by learning these skills at an early age.
And every time I've ever shown a kid a robot, I get this. Tons of smiles, infinite smiles, some may say. What do you think the long-term effect is going to be of our robotics league?
Well, look at it from a simple standpoint. This is the all-inclusive league. This is an opportunity to keep kids from making bad decisions. If they have something that they can focus on and have somewhere they can go to compete, that keeps them off of the streets, that keeps them out of trouble, and it keeps them doing better in school.
So we need mentors, we need sponsors, and to get plugged in, visit pcul.org. That's pcul.org. Find the red buttons that say donate and get plugged in.
Hey, thanks for watching, guys. We definitely appreciate your time. I want to give you guys out there in TV land a high five. Give my partner here a high five, and we'll see you guys on the playing field.
For anyone else out there interested in telling us your inspiring story and telling us what inspires you, please contact us at info@tpomfg.com or just go to our website, fancynewguy.com. And of course, you can always find us on social media like Facebook at Fancy New Guy, as well as don't ever forget YouTube. Like, subscribe, and please share these messages of inspiration and positivity. That's it from your Fancy New Guy on What Inspires You.